Food Services, may I come in?
Summer 2021. As COVID-19 peaked, Oregon Guard members stepped up to fill staffing shortages at hospitals around the state. That included the Oregon State Hospital in Salem. When they requested support, 32 Guard members provided, including Zenas Sigra.
I was nervous about working here, You kind of didn't know, I remember as a kid, the bars on the windows, mental hospital. But then after working here and working with some of the patients and talking to them, they're just regular people like us who do need help.
On his mission, Zenas worked in food services. But as the months passed, he saw other opportunities here, outside his service with the Guard.
Since I was like, I could do this. I could work here.
In June, 10 Guard members applied to work for the state hospital after their mission ended. Zenas was among them. He's now a mental health therapy technician. His days include escorting patients to their meals, therapy sessions, or just passing a little time with them.
We'll play cards. Dice is usually the number one thing that they like to play up there.
Right now, there are more than 200 job openings at the Oregon State Hospital, everything from medical to clerical. But staff members admit just getting people to apply can be challenging.
I think being injured is probably one of the main concerns people would have. And while that does happen, it doesn't happen all the time.
Angie Johnson is director of nursing at the Oregon State Hospital. She says not every job poses that type of risk, and training is a big part of prevention. She calls the need to staff up critical.
That's the goal here, to provide the best patient care we can. So if we are fully staffed, it relieves stress from the job.
The windfall of Guard member applicants was unexpected, the product of a chance to test the waters. Johnson hopes others take their own chance at finding a good fit.
I think being able to help people when they're in crisis is one of the main things, because people come here when they're at their worst, and we're able to help them get through that and get to a space where they can lead a fulfilling life in the community.
In Salem, Catherine Cook, KGW News.